Girl, turn me up and let me come through your speakers. Blow the sound out of your tweeters. Cause baby girl, this is the music for love.
King Terrell. What's up, y'all? I hope y'all are well out there. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this Blessed by the Best studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre Studio. I'm doing something a little different. Well, it's not so much different anymore because I've done it a few times. But I want to do more of these because these are so fun to do and to talk about. I did one with members of Destiny's Child a little while ago, and I wanted to do other artists who I haven't got to on this channel yet, but I wanted to talk about them. So I was like, these are like great little tidbits of them doing their thing. And I said, why not talk about it a little bit more here on this channel? So we're going to do that. And shout outs to you, Terrell, for putting out this amazing content. God bless you. I'm so excited and happy for you. I'm a hardcore Terrell fan as well. So I just said, you know what? I'm going to use some of the footage to talk about some of these great singers that he puts on his show. So thank you so much, Terrell. You're amazing. Love you. Here's my voice analysis of Mario's clips of him singing on the Terrell Show.
Oh, it's good for everybody. I feel good, yeah. Didn't know that I would now. Oh, I feel good, yeah.
It's like he used the yeah. I feel good, yeah. And he used the yeah to kind of go through that run at the beginning right there. Yeah, that was nice. Ooh, that was nice.
And I think that I should now. Let's play.
And I think that I should now. That was a nice, straightforward, equal run. I've used the word equal runs for a lot of stuff when I feel like the run is so well balanced in the duration of pitch between each note and kind of just the sound of it. It's equal. It's an equal run. It's good. Mm-hmm.
Go.
The word is feel. F-E-E-L. Oh, you just did it!
Let's do it again.
Psychic too!
I feel good, yeah. And I knew that I would now.
Knew that I would now. He traveled up in there a little bit. Knew that I would now. With like an ascending little run right there. Yeah.
I feel good, yeah. And I hope that you would now with me.
So he switched between registers, if you will. He went to like a heady space, more falsetto-y heady moment as he went up and then came back down and then went back up into that spot again. So he's really using his registers to really shift and shape how he wants to go in and out of these runs.
It's like you're caught up in a maze. You keep on going in circles, girl, and you're trying to find your way out. But it's time I put on my cape and put that ass on my chest. Girl, I wanna come and save you, but I'm stuck in the middle of seeing you hurt and knowing you love him and you wanna make it work, but I can't help but think that I'm on you first.
I feel like he sings with a smile. Na, 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 na. So he kind of keeps his teeth almost closed sometimes, depending on the vowel, depending on the word, whatever the case may be, or maybe the feel of the song. He kind of so he kind of keeps that smile with the teeth, because that can directly affect how you sing. Using your teeth or not using your teeth, it kind of directly affects the sound itself because it's a change in the shape of the vocal track. Your teeth are a part of your vocal track, so changing how you use your teeth within your sound can directly affect how you use your sound.
It's getting louder, girl. Can't ignore it no more. I can.
Give me the chorus, go ahead. I can hear it.
Hear your heart.
Hear your heart, use that teeth again, heart. And the T of heart wasn't really there. Hear your heart, like that.
Crying out for me. I can hear your heart. Crying out for me. How do I breathe without you here by my side? How will I see when your love brought me to the light? Where do I go?
I feel like also he has a little bit of soft palate play in his sound, some nasality in his sound. Na 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 na. So the air is passing through the nose when he sings. But I feel like naturally he has a more nasal, kind of more forward sound. And I bet you that's probably a part of his magic of how he hits these high notes. He has a pretty high voice. And he hits these notes with ease and cleanliness, if you will, or ease, and is very clean when he comes down and stuff like that. He hits these notes very clean and very crisp. And I bet a part of the magic of his crispness or his sharpness, his preciseness, if you will, precision, that's a better word, his precision is that nasality and the placement of his vibration or his resonance or the placement of his voice.
When your heart's where I lay my head, when you're not with me, how do I breathe? How do I breathe?
I'm about to run around this place.
Go on, get your lapping.
I'm about to
Go on, get your lapping. Go on.
Shoot, I can run too, Terrell. Don't take much from me. Sha ba 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 ba. I'm gonna stop playing.
He is a comedian, bro. Oh my God.
Man!
Feels so different being here. I was so used to being next to you. Life for me is not the same when there's no one to turn to.
There's no one other time. Right there in that line, you can hear a little bit more nasality. You know, it kind of comes in waves, a little bit more nasal, a little less nasal, but there's nothing wrong with the nasality. It's just a sound. It's just a sound quality, I should say, or a texture. It's just a texture of a sound or a quality of a sound. It's nasal. I have a nasal sound. I have a way more forward, bright sound. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just the way my voice is made, you know?
I don't know why I let it go too far. Starting over, it's so hard. Seems like everywhere I try to go, I keep thinking of you. I just had a wake-up call, wishing that I never let you fall. Maybe you were not to blame at all.
That little baby right there had a little vocal fry. Baby, you're not to blame at all. Right there. Baby, you're not to blame at all. You see, that emotive tactic of using vocal fry can really help bring out emotion in the vocal line.
I'm the one that pushed you away. Maybe if you knew I cared, you never went nowhere.
Cared nowhere instead of cared nowhere. Cared nowhere. Cared nowhere. So you took the R off. Cared nowhere. You see, it kind of stays a little bit more brighter, and it kind of stays in the line of the vocal delivery or the line of the finesse of the song. Cared nowhere. If you were to put those R's in there on cared nowhere, I feel like it would have taken away from the delivery and the fluidity of the vocal line, especially within the finesse of the song that we're singing. You know, it kind of just works in R&B to do that sometimes.
God, I should have been right there. How do I breathe? How do I breathe?
Breathe. And I butchered that rhyme, but I wanted to show you what he kind of did. He kind of did a little yodel there. Da-da, something like that, whatever he did. But he went kind of more chesty, flipped over to like a more heady register that came right back down. Da-da, something like that.
I wanna know your name, man. I wanna know if you got it, man. I wanna know everything. I wanna know your number and if I can come over. I wanna know what you like. I wanna know so I can do it all night. But you're telling me I'm just a friend. You're telling me I'm just a friend.
I always liked how the verse flows. I want to know your name, man. I want to know if you got a man. I want to know. So it's not a lot of friction in the consonants. It's kind of more smooth. I want to know everything. I want to know if I can come over. You see how it's kind of flowing and it's kind of equal in consonant friction and production versus I want to know your name, man. I want to know if you got a man. That's not going to be what you want, okay? You want a little more smooth, so you give less emphasis to the friction or the production, the pressure of the consonants, and let it flow more, a little bit more legato. I mean, it's a little legato. I want to know your name, man. I want to know if you got a man. I want to know, man. I used to love this song when I was younger.
Oh, baby, you got what I need.
Come on, ad-libs.
Say I'm just a friend. 'Cause I can be your
Cause I can be your. He opened up the R in your. Cause I can be your. Instead of your. Your. He did that on the other song too. He's leaving out the R color, making it more your. Everywhere, nowhere, your. You see what I'm saying? And he was like a heady spot at first. Cause I can be your. And I butchered that run again. But you see what I'm saying? Da, 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 da. Like that.
Fantasy, yeah. Say I'm just a friend.
Say I'm just a friend. I can't even do it, but that was nice. How he moved through that run right there. Woo, that was nice.
You can call me anytime you like. It doesn't matter day and night. We can do whatever you wanna do. It's up to you. Don't fight the feeling that you feel. I can tell that it's real.
Okay.
So won't you help me understand why you say I'm just a friend? Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? And I say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does she do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way.
Why? There was like a quick, small aspirate offset. Why? Da, 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 da. Why? You see what I'm saying? Why? So it's kind of a release of air, a puff of air at the end. Why? Yeah. He sounds really good singing that song, so he should really do a cover of that. That would be really nice. Unless he did it already. I'm not sure. But if he didn't, he should. He would sound great on a song like that. That's a good song for his voice.
Why? We can play the music loud whenever nobody's around. 'Cause if the sound starts
Sound. So he used the N color of sound, and used the N, the voiced N quality of the N consonant, if you will, and use that to finesse the N that run. Sound. But there he added the D at the very end. Sound. Again, I don't know what run. I probably got every run wrong in this video in terms of me trying to sing it. But you see what I'm saying? I'm trying to conceptualize what he's doing, you know?
to wake up the neighbors, we're gonna have to turn it down. I'm about to have a real eruption. There's gonna be no interruption. Baby, you can push my buttons. I'll show you all my functions. Let's play, then let me start. Fast forward to your favorite part. After we're done, hit rewind. We'll go back to the time, baby.
Do you notice when he went up higher and got more beefier, the mouth got more open? Baby. And then when he came back down, it kind of got more settled. You know, it wasn't as big and open and wide as reach the top, baby, yeah. He kind of came back down towards the end of that, but kind of stayed more wider at the top.
Girl, turn me up and let me come through your speakers. Blow the sound out of your tweeters. 'Cause baby girl, this is the music for love.
King Terrell.
If I could please remind you, show you what my hands can do. Let them become what words are meant to be.
So this is more of like a marcato, like a separated vocal line within like the head voicey, heady space. Da 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 da, mind you. Da 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 da, hands can do. Da 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 da. So it's a little bit breathier. It's a little bit lighter, way more heady. Da 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 da. He keeps it lighter, breathier, headier. Da 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 da. Separated. Da 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 da. I wouldn't call it staccato. I'd probably call it marcato, if anything, or just separated.
Ooh, I know what you need from me. Let me be your mirror, baby. In the dark, I'm the one you see. Along the walls like this. dancing shadows. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to.
Let me be the one to. More vocal fry there. Let me be the one to. It's kind of like a throne vocal fry. Let me be the one to.
Give you everything you want and need.
Everything, not everything. Give you everything you want. You see, thank you. Is it a thing? Thing.
Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you.
Love. He keeps it heady with a little nasality. Love you.
Yeah, we love you.
What?
Yeah. You deserve better, girl. We should be together, girl. Me and you, it's whatever, girl. Hey, so can we make this thing ours?
Did you hear ours instead of ours? You know, the word is ours, like you, me, ours, you know, your, mine, ours, but he's ours. Can we make this thing ours? So the R color was very slightly in there, but it was, can we make this thing ours? Ours. It's almost like he said the word Oz, like OZ, like Wizard of Oz, but it wasn't Oz, it was ours. The R color was very slight, but it was still in there. Again, he takes out these R colors a lot to keep the finesse and the line, the legato-ness, if you will, of the vocal line.
Baby, you should let me love you forever.
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon.